as well. Luxury home in this area. Library. Hello everyone, what's up? Today is Thursday, May 16, 2024 and the time right now is almost 7 p.m. and in this video I'm going to show you guys the Crescent Heights area and the neighborhood, and it's a little bit rainy and cloudy, so if the rain comes then I will do a driving video in the downtown area as well. And let's start the walk. And I just started my vlog from the Crescent Heights area, where you can enjoy the beautiful skyline of the Calgary city, and also you can enjoy the mountain from this side, but I don't think you can see today because it's very cloudy. You can see how much cloud in the sky, and the rain will come in any moment. This looks so beautiful though. And the other side is the Crescent Heights neighborhood. Very nice, elegant, quiet, neat and clean neighborhood. This area, because it's a very famous area, it's a very photographic area, so it's really if you come in the weekend it's really hard to find the parking in this area, but like in front of this view, but you can find definitely parking in the neighborhood. Today is a little cold. And also you can see very luxurious home in this area. On that side is the Princess Island Park. Beautiful neighborhood. You can find all the luxury home in this area. Very quiet. Also very close to downtown as well. Look at this house. Wow, I like the balcony. I like this neighborhood. You can see how clean, quiet, and so elegant. And if you are looking for cherry blossom area, so this is the one of the neighborhood you can find so many cherry and crab apple trees where you can find so many blossom. Wow, today is very cloudy and windy. This side you can find all the apartment here. Emergency Operations Center. I don't know what it is. Wow, The color is so amazing. The light, I mean. There is a playground and tennis court, I think, here. And the other side is all the apartments. It's right beside the Center Street, and also known as like a Crescent Height area, like the end of the Crescent Height area near the Rotary Park, the Lion Park. Here is, you can find so many artwork as well. Nice. So it's an off-leash area. The rain could be start any moment. And attention, coyote. Everywhere you can see the sign, the coyote. And the fun thing is, my new neighborhood, I find the bear sign. Bear in this area, so I already post a picture in my Instagram stories that bear in this area. Here is the tennis court. I think you need to take the membership or something like that. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a private, sorry. So this club is private. Oh, look, here is another artwork. God, I am so scared. Here is the library. I think I showed you guys before this library, little library. Yeah, this area is full of this little library.
Anything good in there?
I'm not sure.
No.
And here I am at this beautiful park. The blossom is not start yet. I think within a week the blossom will be start, and the weather is rainy. All the park will become so like a beautiful with pink, white blossom. can see only one tree is full bloomed. Let's go over on that side. Walking in different neighborhood and different place is such a different experience. So only this tree is bloomed right now, so all the park will be full of those flowers. And from here you can see the beautiful view of the Calgary skyline. Nice. You can see so many benches here so that you can enjoy the view from here. And this park is also known as for the lion park, for the big lion here. And I'm gonna climb down the stairs and show you from the Chinatown.